Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving right into a quick guide on how to use Trello's card copier, an essential feature to duplicate your Trello cards. Firstly, locate and click on the card you wish to copy. This is important because Trello's card copier only works with individual cards, not entire boards or lists. Once you've selected your card, you'll see the card's details. On the right side, you'll find the Actions section. Here's where we find the Copy button. Clicking on this function is crucial as it initiates the card duplication process. After clicking Copy, you'll see a pop-up with several options. You can choose to keep the card's description, attachments, and comments, or you can start fresh. This step is all about customization, enabling you to decide what elements you want to duplicate on the new card. Next, you'll need to select a board and list where the new card will live. This is a step not to overlook because it determines where your copied card will end up. Once you've made your selections, hit the Create Card button. And just like that, your card is duplicated. The reason we do this is to streamline your workflow, especially when you have repeating tasks or projects. Now that we've done that, let me explain why this matters. Copying cards in Trello can save you a significant amount of time and ensure consistency across your projects. Rather than creating a new card from scratch, you can use this card copier function to duplicate a card with its checklist, members, labels, and more. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to copy cards in Trello. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget, efficiency is just a click away with Trello's card copier.